一起来了。
我看看看。
没有，看没有。Hello， 而且妈妈lollipop， you want lollipop？
Also related to the color pink, do we have, is this one? Is it this one? Okay. This is our baby pink-backed pelican. Now the reason why they're called pink-back is because they have a patch of pink feathers behind their backs. But you only get to see this when he opens his wings and you happen to be standing or sitting behind him. Okay, so hopefully we'll get to see a glimpse of that later on. Alright, so in Africa we have the pink-backed pelican and the great white pelican, okay? Now let's go over to Asia, shall we? In Asia, we have the only pelicans found in Asia, right beside Wani over there and one more on the railing down there. Okay, now those are our spot-billed pelicans. Okay, if you take a look at them, alright, you ready? Right? Okay, Wani, ready? Alright, everyone, 1, 2, 3. Okay, take a look at those pouches in action, everyone. Alright, close. Can we try that one more time? Okay, everyone, get ready. 1, 2, 3. Look at that. Nice. Very nice. Now, so you got a glimpse of how the pouches work. The pouches of these pelicans are so elastic, they can carry up to 13 liters of water. 13 liters of water is equivalent to 40 cans of soft drinks at the same time, 40. Okay, but obviously they do not drink all this water. What they will do is they will sieve out the water and eat only the fish. And for information, the average weight of a pelican, and we're talking about the larger guys over here, is only between 5 to 10 kilograms. Okay? Alright. Okay, very nice. Now, I am done talking. So now it's my turn to ask you 3 very simple questions. If you